Okay, so I'm doing radians versus degrees, and the whole circle is 360 degrees, and that equals to 2 pi radians. So if r equals 1, then the circumference is 2 pi in radians. Okay. So if 2 pi radians equals 360 degrees, then pi radians equals 180 degrees. So to find how much 1 degree equals, it's pi over 180 radians equals 180 degrees over 180 degrees, and then pi over 180 radians, and that will equal to 1. Okay, so next is how much is 1 radian? So 2 radians over 2 is equal to 360 degrees over 2, and pi radians equals 180. And next is pi radians over pi is equal to 180 over pi. Okay, so next is converting, and we're going to convert degrees to radians. So we have 30. So what we're going to do is 30 times pi over 180. So we're going to combine to get 30 pi over 180, and you simplify, and when you simplify, you get pi over 5. Okay, so now we're going to be converting radians to degrees. So what you're going to do this time is, since it's 5 pi over 4, you're going to multiply 180 over pi. So you're going to get, so it's going to be 5 times 180 to get 900, and then you bring the 4 over, it's going to be 4 pi, and you divide to get 225 degrees. Okay, so in conclusion, this all relates to the unit circle because the degree is equal to the radian and the radian is equal to the degree. And the radian is always more upwards than the degree is. Yeah. Okay, so that's what you would do to kind of just continue to solve. So if you would have all the radians to the unit circle, then you would do, if you had all the radians to the unit circle, then you would do 180 over pi to solve. And I think a really good thing to remember is if it's the other way around and you have the degree and you're trying to solve for the radian, then you just switch it and it's pi over 180. And that is how I compared radians and degrees to the unit circle.